Perplexity team. This is my project for the hackathon, which is hosted by Perplexity in alliance with DevPost. I have created this app for code review. The question is, why do we need a code review using GenAI? So there are several problems with respect to code review. Code reviews helps in code quality, catching bugs, and meeting coding standards. It's also one of the rushed and manual effort. So sometimes because of the rush, people skip certain parts of the code review and they tend to forget or they tend not to do the review in a proper way. Also, different programming languages have different levels of skills required and different skills required, so that not all programmers can review the code in all the programming language. GenAI helps in reviewing the code in a faster way, and it can review in almost all the programming language. Also, it is not prone to fatigues, it is faster, and it can also adhere to coding standards. Like if you have a camel case or if you have a Pascal case, it can run all those things. In these utilities, I do a code review. I provide a bill of material, like what all the third party libraries and everything is being used, and the license check. If there is a conflict of the license, or if your organization doesn't want LGPL or GPL, those kind of things. So I'll run this and show it to you. I will have my small program, test program for C++, and this program is buggy. It has a buffer overflow, and I will run it and submit it. I selected all the three portions for the demo purpose. You can choose to have any one of them or ignore some of them. So it is providing that it is writing beyond the boundaries of dynamically allocated array. So here if you see, I have allocated integer of size 5, but I am going beyond 5. So I am going up to the tens from 0 to 9th. So this is a problem. So it tells me the improved code, corrected code, and it gives me the patch. Also it provides me the bill of materials, like what all the things I'm using. Like for third party libraries, I'm not using anything except standard libraries, like iostream is part of libstd. It also provides me the license information, that what kind of license I am using. So like standard library is part of GPL or Apache 2 license, those kind of things. Now I will have another code which is little more exhaustive from the curl library. So curl is a program which process all the request response, all those things. That's the basis for that, and I will use that program to see the license information. The file has the license information in the top, but even if this is not there, and if it is a famous open source software, it should be able to find it out. So let's see. So once I run that, it will take around 10 to 20 seconds to provide me the required output. Because this file itself is very big, so the context size is also large. So let's wait for the result and check. We can also improve this by way of like reducing the context and those things. Okay, so it has provided the code review. So it has provided some recommendations, some bugs, some refactorations. So if you want to have, you can have the diff, and it has refactored the code. This is actually better than OpenAI. OpenAI is not able to refactor the code. It provides the bill of materials, what all the things I am using, like libcurl, C standard library, SSL TLS library, which is OpenSSL, and some curl tools. It also tells me that what all the types of libraries license I am using. Like it will say like OpenSSL has Apache star license, and libcurl has MIT or modified BSD license. So we can parse this and make it even better. Thank you all for my demo. I hope to have a good day.